Times Influence Initiative.
The fastest bikes, the most powerful cars, and the visionaries behind the entire auto industry. One night that celebrates all this and much more. Welcome to the AutoCar Awards 2018. In the last 17 years, the AutoCar Awards have become one of the most prestigious honors in the Indian auto industry that not only recognize the best automobiles on Indian roads, but also the manufacturers and car dealers behind them.
Hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of our jury and our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Anant Geete, Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprise. 2017 has passed by in a blur, but it brought with it some real progress, innovation and disruptive technology. The name of the game today, and we're seeing it really everywhere, from touchscreen displays in budget cars to fully autonomous parking in high-end cars. Last year, we also saw manufacturers adapting very quickly to the implementation of GST. And the kind of deftness that all of you showed when the topic changed to vehicles, electric ones, that too, was impressive.
In-car interactivity has become a real term. And the way it's going, I'll probably be doing as much talking inside the car as I do on air. I won't be surprised if the next car I buy is named Galaxy or Alexa, you know.
You wish. Well, while it's exciting to see that cars are moving into uncharted territory, and it's doubly exciting to know that the internal combustion engine is still in the pink of health. Never before have petrol engines and diesel engines been this powerful, clean, or efficient.
For now, we shift focus back on the stars of the year gone by. But before that, we'd like to invite on stage the driving force behind the awards, the Ed with all the jazz, the editor of AutoCar India, Hormas Sarabji, to say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is that time of the year when we celebrate all that's good and great about the latest cars and bikes in the auto industry. You know, every year we are just seeing these awards getting bigger and bigger. And now in its 17th year, when we look back, I think we can look back with a sense of pride and see that all the award winners have been game changers in their own way. They've really stood out and they've made a mark in the market. I think we all know that this is a very fast-paced industry. Things are rapidly changing. Technology, trends, and customer preferences are really very different from what they were some time ago. And at the end of the day, it's all about evaluating cars, which is really the core of AutoCar. In fact, our magazine is 120 years old, our parent title. We were the first car magazine. AutoCar invented the road test in 1928. And it's really on these values we built on even here in India. And at the end, it's really giving the readers or the consumers the right advice, which has really been the bedrock of AutoCar magazine. And that's really what our awards are truly about. The winners are truly worthy of the car buyer's money. And with that, I'd like to congratulate each and every one of the winners. Thank you.
It's time for the AutoCar Awards 2018, ladies and gentlemen, presented by Reliance General Insurance in partnership with Times Network, powered by Mobil Lubricants, and in association with Apollo Tyres.
Now, before we kick off with the first award, we'd like to invite on stage Rakesh Jain. He's MD and CEO at Reliance General Insurance Company Limited, to say a few words. Mr. Jain.
I think it's indeed our pleasure as insurers to really partner with the who's and who of the insurance industry. This is a great opportunity for us, you know, to really come and be a part of the front line. I guess the automobile industry actually reflects the aspirations of people. And, somewhere the excitement is not because, we are in a good industry, growing industry. It kind of reflects what people want. And somewhere, of course, as insurers, we are always driven by responsibility. The way we look at things, we should take care of distress, we could take care of. I guess, as a CEO of a leading insurance company, we really want to see to it that people keep the fun, the enjoyment part of owning an automobile with them. I think it's important for insurers to not let the basic need of automobile really go away. Thank you.
A prominent jury of industry experts determined the winners based on a detailed analysis of elaborate parameters.
It's now time to slot it into first and set things in motion with the 2018 AutoCar Awards. We begin with the first award of the evening, which acknowledges the efforts of those who are usually actually out of the spotlight. But these are the ones that keep every car maker's cash counters ringing.
Well, I'm just thinking that if things move to a crawl, like it happens sometimes with the auto industry, these are people who really keep things moving even when that happens. They spend day and night ensuring the customer gets exactly what he shelled out his hard-earned cash for, and possibly even had to wait months for. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the award for the Car Dealer of the Year.
Car Dealer of the Year award goes to Advait Motors Private Limited.
Two-wheeler numbers are breaching the stratosphere every year, and playing a big role in achieving those numbers is the one who will receive the next award. This is the award for the Bike Dealer of the Year.
Bike Dealer of the Year, Vishnupriya Automotives and AVM Honda.
We'd like to honor the manufacturer that did their bit to spread awareness on road safety. This award is the best CSR initiative towards road safety.
So the CSR initiative towards road safety goes to Hyundai, Be the Better Guy.
This is the award for excellence in customer centricity.
The award for excellence in customer centricity goes to Lakosi Toyota and Ritu Automobiles.
On the other side of this break, we revealed some more action from the AutoCar Awards 2018. The AutoCar Awards, in its 17th edition, elevates the standard of auto awards in India to a higher level, with the most exciting awards being given out across 28 categories.
This trophy, ladies and gentlemen, is for those engaged in the relentless pursuit of finding their limits in the track.
The nominees for Motorsport Award are Jehan Daruwala, Mahindra Racing.
The Motorsport Award goes to Mahindra Racing.
award, ladies and gentlemen, for the best design and styling. And vying for it this year were all kinds of cars.
The nominees for Best Design and Styling are Audi A5 Sportback, Renault Captur, Tata Nexon, Tata Tigor, Volvo XC60.
The Best Design and Styling award goes to the Tata Nexon.
Our next award is for those that have to catch up with those that came in and just broke the mold. With so many new cars arriving almost every month, it becomes really essential for manufacturers to ensure their products are still in tune with the times or they'll be left behind. And so we saw plenty of significant refreshes, mid-cycle updates being made to cars. It's almost like, self-improvement that the Deepak Chopras and the Robin Sharmas of the world talk about.
No, but the thing that's worth noting, Rishi, is that it isn't just surface, It is down deep. Most of these changes haven't been made just for the sake of it. In most cases, they have brought about a noticeable change. This is for the Variant of the Year award. The nominees for the Variant of the Year are Audi A4 35 TDI, Audi Q3 30 TFSI, Datsun Redigo 1 litre, Ford Figo S, Hyundai Grand i10 facelift, Mahindra XUV 500G automatic, Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS, 2017 Jaguar F-Pace 20D Prestige.
The Variant of the Year award goes to Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS.
Gentlemen, this is the Best Value for Money award.
The nominees for the Value for Money car are Renault Captur, Tata Hexa, Tata Tigor, Tata Nexon.
And the Value for Money award goes to Tata Nexon.
On to cars that we as jurors found ourselves gravitating to every time we had to hit the road. These are the cars that felt special and made us who were behind the wheel feel all the more special.
Yeah, there's a connection, isn't it, between car and man, and I mean by that man
emotion.
And woman. Emotion. Now this year the toss-up was between two truly engaging sedans.
The nominees for Best Driver's Car are BMW 5 Series, Skoda Octavia VRS.
The winner is the Skoda Octavia RS.
This is the award for the Best Luxury Car of the Year. The nominees for Luxury Car of the Year are Audi A5 Cabriolet, BMW 5 Series, Mercedes-Benz E-Class.
The winner for the Luxury Car of the Year, Mercedes-Benz E-Class.
Our next category is for the Scooter of the Year.
The nominees for Scooter of the Year are Honda Click, Honda Grazia, Okinawa Ridge.
The scooter of the year is the Honda Grazia.
Our next award is for these bikes, the Premium Bike of the Year. The nominees for Premium Bike of the Year are Honda Africa Twin 80, Honda CBR 650F, Kawasaki Ninja 1000, Kawasaki Ninja 650, Kawasaki Z650, Triumph Street Triple RS, Triumph Street Triple S.
The premium bike of the year is the Honda Africa Twin.
Time then to award our Import Bike of the Year.
The nominees for Import Bike of the Year are Ducati Monster 797, Ducati Multistrada 950, Ducati Desert Sled, Ducati Supersport S, Harley Davidson Fatboy, Harley Davidson Street Bob, Kawasaki Z900, Kawasaki ZX-10RR, MV Agusta Brutale 800, Suzuki GSX-R 1000, Suzuki GSX-R 1000R, Triumph Bonneville Bobber, Triumph Street Scrambler, Triumph Tiger Explorer.
And the import bike of the year, Kawasaki Z900.
Now, this is one of my favorite categories. The people of India decide the next couple of awards. They're the ones who put their money where their mouth is. The first is the Viewer's Choice Bike of the Year. And this award will be given away by one of our lucky viewers. May we call on stage Sahil Saxena. Sahil is a fan of AutoCar. Wonderful to have you here. And the nominees are?
The nominees for Viewer's Choice Bike of the Year are Avantura Pravega, Avantura Rudra, Bajaj Dominar 400, Bajaj Pulsar NS 160, Bajaj V12, DSK Benelli 302R, Harley Davidson Street Rod, Hero Glamour FI, KTM 390 Duke, Suzuki Intruder, TVS Apache RR 310, Yamaha Phaser 25, Yamaha FZ 25, KTM 250 Duke.
Viewer Choice Bike Awards goes to my favorite TVS Apache RR 310.
The next award is for the Viewer's Choice of the Car of the Year. May we have on stage AutoCar fan Priyadarshini Narula to give away this award. The nominees for Viewer's Choice Car of the Year are Audi A5 Cabriolet, Audi A5 Sportback, BMW 5 Series, Force Gurkha, Ford EcoSport, Honda WRV, Hyundai Verna, Hyundai Accent, Isuzu MUX, Jeep Compass, Land Rover Discovery, Maruti Suzuki Desire, Maruti Suzuki Ignis, Maruti Suzuki S-Cross, Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 Coupe, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Mini Clubman, Porsche 718 Boxster, Renault Captur, Skoda Kodiaq, Skoda Octavia, Tata Hexa, Tata Nexon, Tata Tigor, Volkswagen Passat, Volkswagen Tiguan, Volvo V90 Cross Country, Volvo XC60.
The Car of the Year award goes to Jeep Compass.
In the next episode, the felicitations at the AutoCar Awards continue. Stay tuned as we reveal the car and the bike of the year for 2018.
The AutoCar is really the gold star in automotive industry coverage and in recognizing automotive performance and really giving a very technical and balanced coverage of this industry.
A Times Influence Initiative.